pump lang 1 or 2. Ito bago pa. Yan, ito lang, mga sapat lang. Tapos, yan lang, para lang siyang lotion. Spread. And it smells very, very good. And it's moisturizing, it's SPF, there's sun protection. So you see it's called Insta-Bright because you see the instant effect. Aside from the progressive whitening, you see the instant effect. I'll show you.
Lalo na pag
So it's not
tinatamaan ng
like
ilaw.
coverage na pag tinasyon
No.
black. It's
Grabe.
that's wonderful.
So if
If they
your brides on your
they-
wedding day, right there and then, they see
tell
it.
them that
Yeah.
as part of their makeup
Yes.
thing.
And also, if you use it,
Sorry
as you use it, it becomes whiter and whiter and whiter. So, like imagine, if makita mo yan, hindi mo isipin na parang maputi lang yung arms ko. Pero ang totoong color talaga ng arms.
So ito will
Grabe.
Ito yun.
fade.
No.
Fade in the
Ito yun. Ito na yun. Ganito siya kaputi. Let it dry. Ayan. Pag nag-dry na, hindi na siya masiscrape. So, the whole day, malalast na siya. And then, when you shower, of course, matatanggal. Pero you'll notice nagbabrighten. Magbabrighten na siya. Tapos, use it again the next day. So, ayan, tingnan mo. Di ba pag nag-uusap tayo, tapos ganyan, parang wala. You won't think.
Kasi most sa kanila
Yeah.
YouTube.
So, even for the neck, even for the chest area, they can use it. Tapos ang bango pa.
Ang lotion ka lang.
So, yan. So, again, natural color ng arm ko is this. But with Insta-Bright, became this.
Wow. Grabe.
So, the difference is this.
Grabe.
Without it looking fake.
Yan.
Kasi some would look
Di ba?
like
Sana look na parang minikapan mo na puti. Ito, yan lang. Kasi nga, yan tago ko, yan lang.
Ganda. Pag tinatama ng ilaw.
Oh, may glow.
Yes.
So, there. So, yun yung for your brides. They can use lalo kung although hindi naman